Write 34,663,000 in scientific notation. For scientific notation, we need to understand where a decimal point is in a whole number. If I told you to turn this number into a decimal, it would be 34,663,000.0, right? So in a whole number, the decimal point lies at the end. Does everybody agree with that? Okay. For scientific notation, they want it to be, here's what it looks like, 3.4663. Then you're going to see a times 10 to the this. We need to figure out what goes in the box. Okay? To figure out what goes in the box, you have to think, how many spaces do I need to move it to get to where I want it to live? 7. So this is 3.4663 times 10 to the 7th. Okay? Let's knock out number 23, and then we'll take any questions that you have. The largest number. Now we're going to take these and turn them into whole numbers. If it's times 10 to a positive exponent, you take the decimal and move it to the right that many spaces. So it would be 3.4 times 10 to the third is 3, 1, 2, 3. However many spaces you have, you put in zeros. So 3.4 times 10 to the third is 3,400. That seems like a pretty big number. But let's see which one is the largest. What about 5.8 times 10 to the negative 12th? This is our first look at a negative exponent. Well, with scientific notation, with a negative exponent, you take the decimal point and you move it left. Now think about that for a minute. If I'm moving it left 12 spaces, the decimal point would land here, and we would fill in with zeros. Is this a large number or a tiny number? Tiny. 0.00000 is a very small number. Got it? Now, 1.2 times 10 to the 15th, I think, is a huge number because it has a positive exponent on the 10. You need to take the decimal point, right, 15 spaces. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. We're in the millions. What are we in here? Billions. What are we in here? Trillions. That's 1 quadrillion, 200 trillion. That's a giant number. So what's the largest number of the group? This one. It's going to be the one with the biggest positive exponent on the 10. The biggest positive exponent on the 10.